My name is Aleighcia Scott. I'm an artist. I work in radio and TV for BBC and also in production and presenting with Orchard Media. I've always wanted to do a radio show on BBC Radio Wales, a reggae-based show. So over the years I did guest slots as a co-presenter, but I've never had my own show on like local radio stations. And I tweeted last year and said, I'd love to have my own show on BBC Radio Wales, like reggae-based. And the boss at the time had seen it and said, okay, let's do it. So I came in, I did a Christmas special, and then I did 2 cover slots for someone, and then they said, do you want your own show? So I've had my own show since April, and I really love it. I love radio. My tips for interviewing, I would say, I've been very lucky to interview some amazing people, and I found that a lot of the people I'm interviewing for, I see what they've done, but also what they're doing or about to do. I'd also ask them what they would like me to maybe talk about, because they could have a new project to discuss, and then talk about those journeys. So why do they want to talk about that? What have they been doing to work on that? And kind of, again, just enjoy it and make it a conversation, not a direct interview, because that's when it gets a bit scary and you might think, I don't know what to say. Organisation is key, because you're organising playlists, you're organising emails, you're speaking to artists and slotting their songs in to play the playlist you're going to be doing. And then maybe even, we live in a time now where a lot of stuff is online content, and I think it's a really good space to even go live one day and start playing your playlist and building a rapport with the audience, and it's basically then like a live radio show. This week there might be some new releases, go through them. What songs do you like? What songs maybe you're not such a fan of? Maybe do some reviews online, just literally get amongst it. And I think then you'll figure out maybe where you want to go in the industry, and then reach out to maybe stations you might want to work in and say, here's what I've done, maybe make a SoundCloud demo. Tips I would have would be to be conscientious, care about what you're doing, and it shines through, and then it doesn't feel like any kind of chore or hard work for you. You naturally just love what you do. I mean, for me, that's what's most important. I love doing this. To be a listener is a very good role, especially in radio and even in presenting. You've got to be aware of what's going on around you. So you've got to know maybe what people might want to hear, or if people are sending you new music, you're going to listen to it. Is that for your audience? Will people enjoy that? And it's really nice to play new music as well. So then you want to encourage new artists to send you music, and then take the time to listen to that too. And I think the audience can connect with you if they know that you're passionate about what you do.